show you how you can create a domain and hosting. You might be wondering what is a domain and hosting. For the beginners, in order for you to create a website, you must first of all have a domain and hosting. The big question now is, what is a website? Why do we need a website? A website is like a virtual space where people share information, sell products, or connect with others virtually. You can also use to showcase your work, and it is mainly made up of web pages where people can visit using a web browser. So in order for you to be able to create a website, we must first of all have a domain and hosting. That is the major root of you being able to create a website. That is the major root of you being able to create a website. Thinking of a website like a house, the domain is like the address that tells people where to find it, while the hosting is like the land where the house is being built or stored. You get me? The address is what people will use to find your website, while the hosting is what makes your website shows online, what makes people being able to see your website. So there are different places where you can get a domain and hosting. Before I proceed with that, the main question now is why do we need a website? We need a website for online presence, credibility, marketing, and brand. So proceeding to ways in which we can get our domain name and hosting. You can get your domain name and hosting from different kind of hosting companies like Bluehost, Hostinger, Namecheap, DreamHost. There are different type of hosting platform where you can get your domain name and also host it. But in this case, I'm going to be using Namecheap. For me, the reason why I use Namecheap is that Namecheap have a very responsive customer service. If you are having problem, they respond on time, and they get to solve your issue on time. So in order for you to be able to access get this domain and hosting, I will advise you use Opera Mini browser. Go to your web browser. I advise you use your Opera Mini browser. For those using phone, go to your Opera Mini browser. Download this tab. There are two types of Opera Mini browser. Download this tab. This one, the green angle is pointing at. While for those using PC, open your Opera Mini browser. Kindly turn on your VPN. I advise you turn on your VPN for those that are not in the eligible country. For me, I'm in Nigeria, so I use VPN. Turn on your VPN on your Opera Mini. While for those using phone, this is how to turn on your VPN. Click on that icon down. This icon where the arrow is pointing at. Then you click hold on to the VPN symbol there, then you turn it to America, put it in America, then turn it on. So go back to your web browser, click search for Namecheap. Search for Namecheap. This first link, click on this first link you see on your web browser. Yes, with white load says verify by human. So after verifying you are a human, it will take you to their front page. Then you click on sign up. As a beginner, you sign up. Make sure when you want to sign up, your VPN is turned off. Make sure your VPN is turned off. The reason why we're actually turning on that VPN is later for your CPanel. I will explain that later. But for now, make sure before you register your VPN is turned off. So you put in the username you want to use, put your password, you put your password again to reconfirm it if it's correct, put your first name, your last name, and your email. Then you click on agree and continue. This agree and continue, after clicking, they will send you confirmation mail to your email. You say your confirmation link on your email, so you can confirm that yes, truly you are the one using the email to register. But for me, I already have an account with them, so what I need to do now is sign in. What I need to do now is to sign in. I don't need to register. You just click on sign in. I already have an account, so I'll click on sign in. So I can need to verify my address. Just need to verify my email. I think I'm the one trying to log in. So yes, I'll do it now. So I've confirmed it. This is my dashboard. This is my dashboard. So first of all, in order for you to be able to get domain and hosting, in order for you to be able to build a website, you have to get your domain name and hosting. So this is how to get your domain name. You search for it. Maybe the name you want to use for your business, it should definitely be the name you are using for your hosting. It should definitely be the name. The name you want to use for your business should definitely be the name you are using as your link, as your address. You get your link. So what you need to do now is search. Let me say, for instance, I want to use Miracle Guy. I'll search for it. So it will show me different. Wait, let me quickly clear my path. Sorry. So this is it, Miracle Guy 001. MiracleGuy001.com is just for $10. I can get this name, this link.com for $10. Whereby anywhere in the world, if somebody search for MiracleGuy001.com, it will show them my link. It will open, whereby anybody can use this link to check my website for anything. So there are different types. You can search for .com, you can see them here, .com, .org, .bot, depending on what you want. You can also search for .online. .online are always cheap. .online are always cheap for a website. The domain are always cheap. You can see it $0.98 per year, $0.98 per year. Let me say, add it to carts. For instance, you're getting a domain, you have to pay add to cart. Then after adding it to cart, you come to this place. Do not click on it. If you are using mobile phone, it will show a drop down button where that you can click on it. Then you after clicking on it, you will click on shared hosting. Then click on shared hosting. So it will take you to this place. What you need to do now, if it's depending on how big you want your website should be. If it's a small website, you can use this first plan, Stellar Plan. This Stellar Plan, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business, depending on how you want your business to be. If you are just creating a small website for a client or anything, you can use this first plan. So this first plan, you are eligible for domain name, additional 3 other add-on domains, 20 GB space, 30 mailboxes. You can create 30 different company emails, a web builder. So these are the things that comes with it. So for me, I use Stellar. Just click on Stellar, then it will take you to this place. So plus the amount you are going to pay, for it plus your domain, everything will be $23. So you click on add to cart. This is the amount for the hosting. Click on add to cart. Everything is $23 25 points. Everything is $25.94. So the reason why it got down to $23 was because I added my code automatically, and my coupon code automatically was added to it. So the thing is, this code, always use this code. Anywhere you are in the world watching this video, always use this code as your coupon promo code. It will reduce the amount for you whenever you want to get your domain name and hosting. Click on it's CU coupon FCNC COUPON FCNC. text me. My number is showing on the screen. You can contact me on WhatsApp and then different social media platforms. I will definitely have here. So it will show like this on the other. The reason why it's showing it doesn't show like this is another reason, and place, after you verify you are a human, it will redirect you to this. This is how your CPanel looks like. This is where you can operate or put anything on your web link for it to show on your website where people will see. This is where you do anything you want on your website. This is where you put and remove anything you want on your website. So I will make another video on how to control and what is all this you are seeing here on your CPanel. So please kindly subscribe, like my